Okay guys, quick update for Bitcoin. So listen, I'm giving you a very specific prediction here. I'm telling you Bitcoin has topped out. We're not going higher than this point. We've already topped out. It is only going to be sideways and down from here. And in the next so many number of days, we're going to get our next major leg down. I will give you the time frame for that, and I'm going to give you a key support resistance levels to pay attention to. Have you been following me? 3 weeks ago, I said Bitcoin could pump to 22K. I'll put a link up this video now if you want to check it out. The reason I gave you that target is because that's where this line was above current price. If we push up, that's where we will top out. That's where you were short. Take note these lines. These are all of the guidelines from the M1 chart. You notice right now, we made contact with this. So if we push up, this is where you short. If you go sideways, this will be where you short. I will come back and I will give you the days it will take to make contact with this line if we go sideways. I'm currently in my short. I was up over 3,000. Now I'm up around, I'm in profit around 1,900. I'm going to hold this short. If you want to sign up for BitGet, guys, my link's pinned down in the first comment description. By the way, look into getting a VPN to protect your identity. I'm currently using NordVPN. I love their setup. You just click on any one of these little bubbles here. If you want to be in Iceland, you click it, your IP address is now in Iceland. You click down here at Colombia, now your IP address is in Colombia. So it's very cool. I'll continue to use NordVPN. Someone in Discord had made a post about this, just like I was telling you. These are all of the guidelines from the M1 chart. If you'll notice, when we made contact with this guideline, we dropped 28%. We made contact with this line, we dropped 52%. We made contact with this one, we dropped 25%. This one right here, we dropped 48%. We made contact with this one, we dropped 62%. We came up, hit it as resistance again, we dropped 34%. Notice it flipped as support. We pushed up. This is the line I've been talking about for over a month. We're at this point. I believe we're topped out to come down just like every previous line. And I believe that this line where we're going to get rejected, it's not just a retrace. I believe this indicates that we're going to have a crash to put in our bottom much lower than our previous low back here. I mean, I believe that this line that was resistance will flip as support. That means when we bottom, we're coming way the hell down. That's why I'm holding on to my short. I believe we have a long ways down to go from this line. If you do sign up to get access to the charts, guys, you also get access to our Discord. This is where people share the live trades. This person did 50x, they're up 183%, 121%, 80%, 70%. Guys, it would take me 5 minutes to scroll all the way up. You can see all these people that are in profit. This person threw to 27%, 1,200%, 336%, 61%, 75%. It just keeps going and going and going. So you get access to the Discord if you sign up to get access to the charts. So if you do want to get access to this chart, this is the only chart you need, by the way. This shows where we topped out. This shows where you're going to short. This shows where the bottom is. This M1 chart. If you want to sign up, guys, the link's pinned in the first comment description. Let me give you that time frame. So if we continue sideways at current price, you're looking at potentially 5 days before we get the next leg down. If we drop and go sideways, it's going to be about 9 days. But when we make contact with this line, I believe this one, the next major leg down will happen, but I believe it is only sideways and down from here. And again, if we push up, this is where you would short. So currently your resistance again is 20,900. We get above that, hold support, you're going to short the guideline. If we come down, your next point to long is 20,000. That's the equivalent to the M1 chart. If that breaks, your next support's 19,271. But you see that 20K mark right here is on point with it matches the support level in the A1 chart. So I will do a scalp long at 20K. But again, when you come up to the point, this point here, this is where you short. All of your support levels are on this chart. The DXY, guys. So pay attention to the DXY. Your current key resistance for the DXY is 102.5. If we get above that and hold support, that's when the house of cards collapse. That's when the markets and Bitcoin's really coming down. So watch to see if we get above 102 and the DXY pushes up. Your next key support is 101. That pretty much covers it. Again, it's a very specific prediction. If you want to get access to this chart, this shows you where to short and it shows where the bottom is. So that's why I'm holding this short for the long haul. Again, guys, you want to sign up for BitGet. My link's pinned in the first comment description. We get access to these charts, websites, opticalorcrypto.com, and that link's pinned in the first comment description as well. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.